Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to turn notifications on or off in Notion. So from your Notion homepage, you're going to look in the top left-hand corner, click on the down arrow and click on Settings. Then from there, you should immediately see a tab that says Notifications. So I'm going to click on that, and you have lots of different options for notifications you can turn on or off. So you've got like live meeting activities, Slack notifications, Discord notifications, and email notifications. So all you have to do is click the tabs on or off for which notifications you want, and they will be updated. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.